So hold down that button and then switch this to on. And you'll notice that light's gonna go to orange. Once it goes to orange, let go of it, and then come over here to your push button. Hold that down for about 3 seconds, and then hit it again. And then your module is gonna go to green, showing you that it accepted and that it's coded. So then come over here, turn your car off, and then exit with the key. This is the way that I seem to have it work the best. And then you're gonna take your remote and you're gonna hit 3 times unlock. 1, 2, 3. That module is gonna flash. Can't really see it in there, but it's flashing. And then it started. And that's it. So you have all your harnesses and things to plug back in. And then once you open your car, it's gonna die on you, but it'll be warm in the mornings, or it'll be cold in the summer. And then we'll put everything back in. Works great.